1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 5, 4, 5, 3, 5, 2, 5, 1. How's it going? My name's Zoe here from BMF, and this is going to be our advanced student vocal warm-up video. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to make sure our breathing is engaged with my warm-up called the breath pyramid. So the first thing you're going to do is breathe in for 4 counts. Then you're going to pulse on a tss sound for 4 counts. Tss, 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 tss. Then when you get back to beat 1, first you're going to hold out the tss for 4 beats. And then you're going to start it over. You're going to hold out for 8 beats when you get there. Blah, 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 blah. It goes back and forth. So let me show you an example. This is the first round. Here we go. And then immediately following that, we go to the second round. It'll go like this. All right, so let's try it from the top. Here we go. See, the first time it's 1 measure, 2 measures, 3, 4, 5. It's pretty tricky. See if you can try this on your own and get all the way up to 36 counts, which is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. That would be really tricky, 9 measures, or 8. Cool, so now that we have our breath support engaged, let's try just some simple humming, and then we're gonna open that up. So we're gonna start here. We're gonna go, even better would be a lip trill if you can. If you can't, just hum. Hum if you can. Last one. All right, if you need to, get a little itch going there. Okay, so let's bring this all the way back down. Let's just warm our voice down there on a nice hum. Here we go, follow me. One more time, we're gonna get back down to middle C. Now we're back here, and this is a cool one from Caitlin. You say the scale degree out loud like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 5, 4, 5, 3, 5, 2, 5. 1, 5, 4, 5, 3, 5, 2, 5, 1. Let's give it a try. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 5, 4, 5, 3, 5, 2, 5. 1, 5, 4, 5, 3, 5, 2, 5, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 5, 4, 5, 3, 5, 2, 5. 1, 5, 4, 5, 3, 5, 2, 5, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 5, 4, 5, 3, 5, 2, 5. 1, 5, 4, 5, 3, 5, 2, 5, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 5, 4, 5, 3, 5, 2, 5. 1, 5, 4, 5, 3, 5, 2, 5, 1. Last one's a bit of a tongue twister, ain't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 5, 4, 5, 3, 5, 2, 5. 1, 5, 4, 5, 3, 5, 2, 5, 1. Alright, so now, going back to our 1, 5, 1, we were humming on and buzzing on before. I like to try a little vowel modification on this one, like this. E-O. So it's really a tricky exercise to do when you're not that warm, because you want to make sure that your vocal cords are coming all the way together so there's no breath in your tone while you have this gorgeous vowel modification going on. E-O. And it'll very quickly get you through your chest voice, mixy area, head voice area, while you'll have to be navigating those breaks while you do this warm-up with the glissando. So let's try it from here. E-O. Tall vowels. E-O. E-O. I call this a mini siren. E-O. E-O. My break starts there. E-O. Step. E-O. 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 Get all the way up there. E-O. One more time for me, for my tone. E-O. Yeah. Okay. So, this one comes from Stav. So you're going to do a major arpeggio and then back down. Sorry, a major arpeggio and a minor arpeggio on the way back down. So you go up, major, down minor like this. And I think it would be really cool to try it with the vowel modification that we've already been using. Like this. Let's give it a shot. I'm not a soprano. Sang tenor in college, but it don't matter because you gotta use your whole voice when you warm it up. Here we go. Major to minor. E-O. 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 Sorry, here we go. E-O. 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 One more time. E-O. I love this. This is really cool. Thank you for the trick, Stav. All right. So, another one that's really good to do. Let's see. We'll end with this one. This is one of my favorite ones. You go, hum, na. This one I did a lot in college, like this. Hum, na. So it's all about vowel modification. Hum, na.